If you're looking for a last-minute Christmas gift for somebody else or yourself, I might have found the perfect item. Workpro recently reached out to me and offered to send me a glue gun if I made a video on it, and when I found out I could get my hands on a cordless dual temperature hot glue gun, I jumped at the opportunity. So thank you Workpro for sending me this product. I'm excited to share it with you all, and as always, this will be my honest opinions, my personal thoughts. So let's take a look at this glue gun. First of all, I think the package is adorable. Like, this is gift ready just as it is. Here's everything that was inside the box. First of all is a very nice canvas carrying bag. It's padded, it has 2 pockets on the inside, very smooth zipper, and everything that comes in the kit fits inside. I think that's pretty helpful for storage purposes. Then you have your standard paperwork, things like instructions manual, information about the company, and information on how when they sell the pink tools, Workpro makes a monetary donation to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, which I think is pretty cool. A charger, because this is a cordless glue gun, it's got a lithium-ion battery. The glue gun itself, and I've already put some glue sticks in here because I've been playing around with this, testing it a bit. And then it came with 50 glue sticks, and what's really fun with this is perfect for gifting, especially at Christmas time, because it's got all these fun colors, golds and silvers, reds and greens, and the colorful glue sticks are also sparkly. So my first impressions with the glue gun after taking it out of the packaging is, one, this is really lightweight. Not lightweight in a cheap or cheesy sort of way, but sometimes things that have lithium-ion batteries in them are very heavy. This is sturdy but lightweight, so I'm going to be able to use this and not feel like I'm getting an intense arm workout in. It stands very nicely. I'm not worried about setting it down and it toppling over. As you can see, I'm kind of setting it down roughly. It balances really well. First off, the glue gun did come with a little bit of charge in it. I wasn't sure how much, so I put it on the charger. Got a nice USB-C cable that plugs into the back, and then a standard USB cable that can plug into an outlet. It took about an hour for my glue gun to reach full charge, and the instructions manual says that it can take anywhere from 2 to 6 hours to fully charge. Once fully charged, it should have a 45-minute working time. So to use the glue gun, there's really only 2 parts to this. There's the power button on top and the dispensing trigger. Before you turn the glue gun on, you want to make sure it's loaded with glue sticks. And to turn it on, we're going to just press and hold the power button for a few seconds, and you'll see the lights kick on. So the green means that the unit is in operation. The flashing blue means that the glue gun is heating up on the low heat setting. If I hit the power button a second time, you'll notice this color changes to orange, and that means it's now heating up to the higher temp setting. I'm going to press and hold the power button and hit start when I see the light come on. So the blue light flashing means that it is heating up to the low temperature setting. And when it turns solid, that means it's ready to use. And look at that. All right, let's see if the glue comes out well now. And just like that, it does. Oh, that is awesome. I'm still on the low temperature. I'm going to show you how much glue comes out with one trigger pull. And it comes out pretty fast too. Let's do a long strip as another test. Now I'm going to change to the higher heat setting just by pressing the power button. You'll see it turns to orange. It's got to heat up just a little bit more to get to the high temp setting. And it'll turn solid orange when it's heated up. All right, so same thing. I'm going to do a full trigger pull here. So it's going to dispense about the same amount of glue, but that came out really fast, as you saw. And we'll do another strip of glue. Yeah, the high temp makes it a little bit runnier and takes a little longer to cool down. We've already talked about how long it may take to charge, and we've also talked about life of the battery. To be fair, I haven't done a full rundown of the battery to see if it actually lasts for 45 minutes, simply because I don't do any glue gun projects that take me that long to work on. Secondly, I haven't really had any issues with it running out of power because, one, I can turn it off if I'm having a gap in using it because it only takes 30 seconds to reheat, and this has a handy 10-minute auto power off feature. So if you leave the glue gun sitting for 10 minutes and you haven't use the trigger at all, it will automatically power off, which also saves on the battery. The instructions manual does recommend that every time you use it, you put it on charge and fully charge it up before you put it away. That might seem like a pain, but that's actually pretty standard for lithium-ion batteries. It helps to prolong the life of the battery and keeps your product functioning well for a longer time. My longest run of using this was about 20 minutes of having it heated up, and when I plugged it into charge afterwards, it took about an hour and a half to return to a full charge. So I would imagine if you ran it the full 45 minutes, it probably would take 3 to 4 hours to charge fully. And while I suppose you don't have to put it on charge every time you use it, I do think it is good practice, because if you got the product, why not extend the life of it as long as possible? I want to share my personal and honest thoughts on this product. Yes, I did receive this product, but as always, my opinions are my own, and I like to give a fair assessment of products that I test out, the good and the bad. The number one thing that I consider when I am reviewing a product is, does the product do what it's advertised to do? So when it comes to this glue gun, I have found that the things it's advertised to do, it does, and it does them very well. The 30-second preheat, love that, works great. Ease of use is very simple because it just has the one power button that controls turning it on and off and changing it between the high and low heat. As far as dispensing glue, I think it runs very smoothly. The listing talks about how it outputs more glue than other glue guns on the market. Yeah, this thing puts glue out a lot faster than some of my other glue guns. I've had to adjust to that and make sure I go a little slower than I normally do. And the charge times and battery life have been what I would expect them to be. As I already mentioned, this is very simple to use. It's convenient because it's cordless. I'm not tethered to one location. I can move it all around. I like the easy glue application, both because it has a nice trigger and it has a good flow of glue that outputs. I found the dual temp options to be really helpful. I've been using a high temp glue gun for the last several years. I kind of forgot that I like having the option of a lower temp glue gun as well. When it comes to the glue sticks that come with this product, I was very happy both with the quality of the glue sticks and the quantity. I really like that it came with a lot of options. It makes it extra festive. It feels like there's an extra goodie inside the packaging. And on the note of the packaging, y'all, I love how this would make such a great gift idea. If I got this for Christmas, I would have been freaking out. Which the glue gun itself is pretty awesome, like the bag, the glue gun, the glue sticks, the charger. I'd be happy with that. But when you put it inside the cute packaging, it's festive, it's Christmas, it's got bows and Santa Claus, it just takes it to the next level. And instead of just feeling like, here's a glue gun, it feels like, here is a Christmas gift. The last 3 pros I want to cover is, yes, it only takes 30 seconds to preheat. The auto shutoff works great, and the glue gun balances very well when I set it down. That doesn't mean this glue gun is all sunshine and roses though. I do have 3 main cons that I want to talk about that I would definitely consider if you're looking at purchasing this product. First up is the charge time, and it really does take a while to charge. Even when I used it for just short stints, it would take about an hour to fully reach charge before I would pack it away for storing. Now, personally, that's not a big deal for me, both because I tend to use my glue gun in shorter segments, and plugging something into charge, I do that with so many other devices anyways. What's one more device to plug in? However, it does mean this glue gun is not going to be ideal for someone who's doing really big marathon glue gun sessions. If you're spending hours making wreaths, for example, and you need a glue gun to stay hot that entire time, this might not be the product for you. Again, it's worth mentioning I haven't fully tested the full duration of the battery life on this, simply because I don't have any projects that take me 45 minutes. Another thing I would consider about this product is it is a mini glue gun, meaning it uses the mini glue sticks. I'm a fan of the mini glue sticks because it doesn't output quite as much glue. In most of the projects I do, I just need a little bit of glue, or I want to be precise with my glue and don't want big globs of glue everywhere. However, some people and for some projects may want a glue gun that outputs a lot more glue all at once and would want to use full-size glue sticks. Fortunately, if you need a more powerful option, Workpro does sell a 12-volt glue gun that uses the thicker normal size glue sticks versus the mini. And the last thing I would take into consideration with the product is the price point. Personally, I think the price point is fair for what you're getting. However, there are cheaper glue guns out there on the market. So if you're doing a small project where you need a glue gun once and you're never going to use it again, this might not be the best option. So really what it all comes down to if you are in the market for a glue gun is deciding whether the product meets your specific needs or not. In my case, this is a great fit for me because I have the ease of portability, the glue gun's very light, And if I'm doing a more delicate gluing project, like with my crochet projects, I've got the option of the lower temperature. So that is the Workpro 7.2 volt cordless dual temp glue gun. I hope this review helps you make a decision on whether this is the right product for you or not. I've truly been happy with the product. I think it would make a great gift. And as a little bonus, if you stuck around to this point in the video, I have a discount link in the description down below. Thank you so much, Workpro, for providing us with that discount link. So be sure to check out the product and gift it to the crafty person in your life, or, you know, you can always use another last minute Christmas gift for yourself too. I'll catch you in my next video. Happy crafting.